where I believe you can do your Afrikaans and you can get your sounds right, and everyone can be a little less frustrated with homework and helping and teacher and everything. Okay. Today's sound is the what? The G, yes, the G. The G, the G. So in Afrikaans, the G, it makes a sound. So here in the back of your throat. We have 5 or so words today. We're going to have fun with a sound. Let's go. Here we have, oh, look at that big smile, our friend. He's here. He's so happy to be with us, just like we're happy to be here. Yeah, we have our, yes, the G in the beginning. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wys my 5 vingers. Your fingers, your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Eerste woord, first word. Glas. The glass. Glas. Now, as you can see, it's spelled almost the same in English as in Afrikaans. Yes, also another one helpful. In English, it's just with 2 S's. So let's sound it out. Glas. 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 Good. Nice. This one's also empty. It's leeg. So it's empty. Here we have someone who was doing crafts. Someone was doing a project. When we do a project, we usually have to use glue. We have to use gom. Gom. So let's sound it out. Gom. Good job. Hey. So it's missing as well. Oh, that stuff is so sticky. Oh, we have some notes and some coins, which means we have money, which means we have ons het geld. In Afrikaans, money is geld. Geld. Like, oh, but there's a D, but I hear a sound. Yes, in Afrikaans, often the D is a T sound. So here it is. So it sounded out one more time. Geld. Good. Oh, duck. Here's our friend. He's not a duck, he's a goose, because he has a long neck. A goose in Afrikaans is a gans. And what's nice about the gans is it kind of makes the sound of a goose. Like, a gans. So you kind of make the goose's sound as you're saying the word. Let's sound it out slowly. Gans. Gans. Yeah, good. Oh, what we all love. Gold. Nice bar there. Oh, bar of gold. Wow. Just like, oh, our posters also is geel, yellow. Almost looks like we have a gold border on our post. The goue kleur op ons blaai on our page. So let's sound it out. Goud. Then again, the D makes a T sound. Goud. One more time. Goud. Very good. Let's count again our 5 words. How many words? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 woorde. 5 words. Let's read our words again. Let's go. Glas. Gom. Geld. Gans. Goud. Ah, wonderful. Now let's think of some sentences. We have lots of choices. Let's see. Glas. The glass is empty. Die glas is leeg. So leeg is empty. So let's practice that one. Die glas is leeg. Die glas is leeg. The glass is empty. Oh, maybe this doesn't look like much money here, so I don't have much. Ek het min geld. Min means a little. So ek het min geld. Ek het min geld. Or you could say ek het nie baie nie. So ek het nie baie nie. There will be two knees. No, I do not have. So nee, ek het nie. So there we go. Oh, gold. That's always what we always call us, gold and shiny things. I must do a sentence with Hans. Yes, there we go. Hans. Let's say maybe he's on his own. Doesn't look very big. Maybe he's looking for his mom. Die Gans soek sy mama. Let's go. Die Gans soek sy mama. Die Gans soek sy mama. There we go. Lovely. We've got three lovely sentences. Well done. Well done, everybody. Yes. So proud of you. Well, that's all for today. Nice, chop, chop, quick, quick of the ch sound. We've talked about our khans, khans, made our noises of our goose or our geese. Please, if you need more help with your sounds and things, like and subscribe so you don't lose me or you lose the channel, or you know where to find more sounds. So if mommy, daddy, teacher, auntie, uncle, or you need more help, or you just want to keep practicing, that's where you'll find all of them. If you want to email me, this is my email. If you're a school or mom or teacher and you have a specific sound I haven't done yet, or you need help with an oral or a project, I will make a video for you. Everything you need. If you like my posters, I get them from a lady on Facebook in a flash. She has lovely posters and resources that you can use and workbooks. Stay tuned. Every week is new episodes, new sounds, and new things to learn. Until then, cheers. Bye.